man.
Good afternoon, young man. Mandela by name. Mandela by name. Yes. I'm actually looking for a girl called Maria.
Maria.
Yes, Maria.
You're looking for Maria. Have you called her?
Yeah, I called her already. Not even calling her. The last time I dropped her, this was a gate she branch, so I believe she stays here.
Okay,
be mumu.
for woman.
You think say they wise?
Talk to me.
You are a mumu
I
man.
will look for small thing for you.
It'll be all street. So just try to. If you look for a girl, tell me. Say they look for a person.
I just told you I'm looking for Maria. And
We have like 4 Marias inside.
Jesus!
One they go critic. The other one they go Unica. The other one I health take.
You get it?
I said you have a picture in
You
your
don't get
phone.
it, forget.
I have the picture. Just allow me to show you. It's okay. You show. Don't be fast now. This is the Maria I'm looking for.
Hold on, and because they use iPhone, that's why you don't want to
Just
show me.
go through it. Just go through it. That is the girl I'm looking for.
But you always wear a short thing. Your phone, you have to plug it so that it will not off.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Okay, wait. If I call her for you, to Alpha, because you give me, see this gate. Nothing will make you enter this gate if you don't say to me.
There's no problem with that.
So
as long as just,
okay, come. How much you go raising for me to bring her? Or you for call her. Okay, this is the Maria you want to look for.
Yes.
It's alright. Okay, see what you will do. Let me go inside and check if it's this one or the other one.
God!
I don't understand.
No! God, please, no! No!
70 years old man.
You know you are the one. I'll call her for you.
Jesus!
Are you playing? What type of plane is this? This is plane.
Did you just lock your head?
Not be juju be that.
Hello?
You be mumu.
Hello?
You think say they
Excuse me,
wise?
young man.
You are a mumu.
Are you
man.
locking the gates? God, my phone.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
I don't.
This is plane.
The Maria again. Just please.
70
my
years
phone.
old man.
I'm thinking. Guy, please. My phone, please.